So this is bubble wrap, and it attaches to the toilet. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. I'm going to take this out and we'll be right back. Okay, the parts are this hose right here, and then an adapter, a little washer thing, some tape, and then the actual device itself where this will go. Take these, remove these and take the toilet seat off, and I'm going to go from there. All right, get a flathead screwdriver and remove both these. Okay, once you remove that, it's the underneath has this part that you'll remove. Same thing on this side. Ew. It's pretty nasty. Okay, turn off your water supply. Turn that off, and then flush. You want to drain all your water out. And I've been putting this down. I put that on, and I adjusted this around so I can fit the next part on. So we're going to flush until we have all the water out. Okay, you put this back on top, the cover, and then you put, then you put these, there we go, and then you screw them back on like that. Okay, here comes the fun part. I gotta loosen that and put this T adapter on it up there. This part gets connected to here, and the other end of that goes right here. So I'm going to connect all that up right now and get a wrench to tighten it. So I'll be back. Looks good. So all that water comes out when I take that. When I go to loosen that. That's why I got that towel ready. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh. La 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 la. I have to get a wrench to make sure it's tightened up on there. So we'll get it on there just like so. I'll have to, it all connects together. Okay, I used a 17 millimeter wrench for this connection, that one, and then a 1 1/16 inch. So we're doing metric and we're doing regular imperial, both units here. And that got that back there. I used this end, so that went around right back there. Right here is Mr. Toilet Paper, and then we have Mr. Wipes or Mrs. Wipes. I love wipes. Wipes are awesome. Always get the big pack. Big pack, flushable wipes. So this will hopefully, possibly replace buying a bunch of wipes. So I turned the water supply back on, and so this is all on there now. This will probably, clamp back down. It's all tightened, I believe, and toilet's clean enough. And we're gonna give this thing a try. I'm gonna flush it. Well, I'm gonna see how this works. Oh wow! Oh, it sprayed the wall. Okay, all right. It has settings here. Water pressure high, nozzle selection, women cleaning, nozzle cleaning. I sprayed the wall. All right. Well, this has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Flathead screwdriver, 16 or 17 millimeter wrench, and 1 1/16 inch wrench, and some elbow grease, and some, bubble popping right here. Satisfying bubble popping. And, well, this has been another Mad Human Pizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Look how cool that looks. I don't know if that's proper for that to spiral around like that. I don't know. But whatever, man, it worked, man.